Today I'm going to show you how to change the device console theme and font size in Cisco CML. Okay, so I got a topology here and I got a router directly connected to a layer 2 switch. Okay, so to change the device console theme, just right click on one of the devices. So I'm going to right click on the router, select console, and I'm going to right click on the name of the device, which is this, and then select global console settings, and we see all the global console settings here. So I'm looking for the theme. So I'm going to change the theme from default to, let's say, Cisco Blue. And I'm also going to change the font size. So from 16, I want to make it 20. Save. Now we see the theme has changed and the font size is now reflected. Okay, and this is, by the way, reflected to all the labs. So if I close this and check the switch console, we see the same settings. And close this console and go to the other lab here. Let's say this one. Let me zoom in. So right click on the router, console, open console, and we see the same settings applied to all of the devices, even from other labs within CML. All right, so that's how to change the device console theme and font size in Cisco CML. Okay, so hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.